Hidden Valley Waterfall in Auburn, California. The amount of water falling here is extraordinary. It's combining into another river. Falling downhill. Hidden Falls Regional Park. This is where the Coon Creek merges into the other creek where we just saw the falls, and you can even go down here to the creek level. This is about 1.5 miles downhill trail down here. The uphill will be a challenge to go back to the parking lot. This is a really nice area if you are in the Auburn area, which is north of Sacramento towards Lake Tahoe. If you're in that area, you can check this out. Very nice.